Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel, and today we're going to be showing you the new Fleece SureFlo for the 12-valve Dodges. I've been really excited about this one. So this is the new SureFlo for all of the 12-valve Dodges. So from 89 all the way up to the 1998 trucks. If you have that year truck and you've done anything in your fuel module, one, what we always talk about, your fuel gauge probably isn't working because they don't work in any Dodges in those year ranges. And two, if you've done an aftermarket lift pump and you've had to do any type of modifications to the sending unit or anything of that nature, you've probably run into leakage, maybe breaking because of the brittleness of the stock sending unit, its age, replacement parts just aren't out there, on and on and on. So Fleece knew the need for this in the marketplace. They came out with a sending unit for the 12-valve Dodges. Again, this works for the 89 trucks all the way to the 98 trucks in the 3/4 ton and the tons. Pickups, cabin chassis, all of it, it's covered with this unit. So in true SureFlo technology or standards, however you want to look at it, you're getting a new float arm inside of the kit. You get the float or fuel level sensor that's going to come, so you're going to have a working fuel gauge. Now you get a new pigtail that will so that the Fleece SureFlo will be able to accept your stock wiring harness. You'll just wire this in. Comes with crimps on it already, which is a nice feature. The SureFlo has the machined aluminum top to it, so you don't have to worry about cheap plastic breakage, metal rusting, any of this stuff. This is aluminum, ready to go. Really, really nice. The fittings that come on it will already be sized to accept your stock fuel lines. In that, again, Fleece always goes that extra length to send the clips for the stock line, so you can clip those back on there. You get the new fuel tank sealing ring that comes with this as well. And then you get your AN fittings for converting this over to using your aftermarket fuel pump if you have that. And remember, with the SureFlos, you always have this side port that you can add a fitting to, just like so. And then you have a return place for your aftermarket lift pump if you have one on the truck, like a FASS or an Air Dog or the BD lift pump, whatever it is. This, you can take this plug out and then you can return that fuel back to the basket, which will give fuel return back to the basket, and it's going to give better fuel flow to the suction side of that. You get one more AN fitting that comes in the kit that can be screwed into the suction side, and then you can hook you can hook your aftermarket fuel line to that. Then the stock fuel return is not going to be changed. So the SureFlo for your 12-valve guys, I think this is going to be a really, really great product. I know it's going to be a really, really, really great product. This sending unit, we see a lot more failures in it in stock form because of its age. The newer trucks we see, we see a need for a SureFlo product line in those because of the modifications that are made to those sending units. For whatever the reasons are, if it hasn't worked, we see a need for this and this. But in this class of truck, in the age of the truck, you're seeing failures because of the stock unit failing, brittleness, breakage, fuel leaks, all the things. So Fleece knocked it out of the park again. SureFlo for the 12-valve trucks fits the 89 to the 98 trucks, 3/4 ton tons, pickups, cabin chassis. If you need a new sending unit, consider a SureFlo from Fleece. So if you have any questions about this or any other Fleece products, just give us a call, and we appreciate you watching.